This is a very controversial video. Don't be upset with me. My name is Kelly OG. I'm a 20-year-old CEO, entrepreneur, and investor. In 2020, I was 18 without a dollar in my bank account, and a year later, I became a multi-millionaire at the age of 19. I've been blessed to be able to travel and get to teach a lot of your favorite athletes and celebrities how to leverage their cash and turn it into active capital. And I'm hoping I can do the same for you, so stick around and let's get to the money. Cash capital. 3, 2, 1, go. It's Kelly OG here, and y'all, I know you're probably looking at the title of this video like,
but Kelly, everybody tells me to use paper trading accounts.
And I know what you're thinking.
Kelly, you're clickbaiting us with a video.
And I am, but I'm not. So if you don't want to keep watching, you don't have to. But I'm going to give you the reasons why I think paper trading is good and the reasons why I think paper trading is not that good. And if you want to follow along, you definitely can. But I think everyone should paper trade. Let me get that out of the way. But I also think there's a certain extent you should get to where you shouldn't. So I'm going to explain the reasonings why. Stick around with me. I promise you're going to enjoy it. I hope. And if you don't, well, then you can unsubscribe. But if you do, then I'm going to cry, and I don't really want to cry, but let's get into the video. Okay, so the very first thing, all right, I have a list of good things and I have a list of bad things, and I made the list right here. Okay, so the very first thing, I'm gonna get into the cons first, the good about it. Cons are not good. Okay, so first I'm gonna get into the pros, so why you should paper trade, and then I'm gonna get into the cons, why I don't believe paper trading is actually as good as people make it out to be. Oh yeah. If you don't know what paper trading is, it's when you're allowed to trade with fake money that's not real money, digitalized money, but you're able to trade real time. So you're able to see market movement in real time. You're able to place trades in real time, but you don't actually make money from it because it's not actually your money. So it's really beneficial if it's helping you to grow, but there's reasons why I think it's bad. The first reason as to why paper trading is good is that it allows you to understand how to place trades. I see a lot of people in my group who struggle to place a trade. Sometimes we'll tell them, hey, we really like calls, meaning we think the stock will go up, or if you're trading Forex or crypto, buys where you think it'll go up, or puts or sells where you think it'll go down. So we'll tell them, hey guys, we want to get into calls, and they will go and they'll get in and they'll say,
well, Kelly, I'm in, but I'm not making money.
And I say, well, let me see your contract. And I figure out they are in puts, and I say, oh man, this is not okay, guys. How did you get in puts?
Well, I just started 2 days ago. I don't really know how to get in.
I said, I know you're excited to make money. Trust me, I know. But you want to make sure that you're properly getting into trades, and paper trading allows you to make those mistakes and understand whether they were made or not without any penalty to you, because it's not real money. It allows you to see real-time movement of the market, but not real-time reaction. And we're going to get into that. Okay, cool. Also, shameless pub, guys, but if you want to join my trading group, I would absolutely love to have you there. We're doing a summer sale, so we are 65% off all summer. Please do not miss out on it. We are making so much money. I'm currently on an undefeated streak because, yeah, I'm that good. And we did 100% return in 3 minutes today. And another one yesterday. Actually, 3 yesterday. Or was it? We did another one. You don't want to miss out. We're going to teach you everything there is to know about technical analysis. There is to know about psychology. We have Mindset Mondays. We have Webinar Wednesdays. It's a skills webinar so you can improve your skills. We do market recaps on Fridays. We do voice chat 1, 2, 3, 4 times a week. And we do Forex live trading on Monday mornings. God, we do so much. Like, we do way too much. I don't think it's too much because I love helping you guys. It is my service to y'all. And if you want to join and take the same trades that I'm getting into and all my amazing admins that are in the group are getting into, y'all, we are one of the top trading groups in the world for a reason. So don't miss out. Take your money farther, and I promise you'll make it back. And if you don't, well, I don't know what to tell you, but you're going to make it back in the education. And yeah, please join. I mean, if you don't, that's completely fine. I hope these YouTube videos help you, but I just wanted to put it out there. If you did want to join, I want to make your trading better. And that is my goal, is to build you as an independent trader. So if you want to learn how to trade for yourself and be able to book your own trip to Barbados, Bora Bora, wherever, and not just copy everyone, well, we're going to help you on both ends. So yeah, hopefully I see you in there, and let's go. Yeah, so it allows you to do that. And that is really the only reason I think paper trading is good, to allow you to practice trading. Now, when it comes to everything else, I say stay far away. I say you have to learn this with a real account. You do. Now, like I've said, it allows you to understand market movement, but it doesn't allow you to understand real-time reaction. For example, if I'm currently trading, well, I will probably want to get out because I'm in fear. Let's say like today, for example, I made about 100% return in 3 minutes. I kid you not, it was crazy fast. I was able to double my money in 3 minutes. So if you put $1,000 in, you make $1,000. If you put 10,000, you make 10,000 in 3 minutes. Now, for a lot of people, if you're paper trading, it's a lot more difficult for you to say,
hey, let me take this 100% return. Well, this money isn't really mine anyways. I can kind of see how it goes.
And so you'll want to let it keep running to see if you can get a 400% return, a 500% return. And that's not always realistic. In real life, when you're playing with your real money that you worked really hard for, you're more likely to take your profit. And that's where you end up with a frustrating point in paper trading, because you could also lose your money, but
Hey, I'm not cutting my losses early because this is a fake account anyways. I'll let it go to zero. I don't care about the money.
yeah, you don't, because you didn't work hard for it. It's just free money that you don't actually get to use. You're just practicing with. So that is, I guess, a con. Now, I would say because of that, it hurts your psychology because you have way more risk. You're willing to hold trades longer than you normally would if it was real money, and you're willing to try and get more. Like, you're either going to try and get a higher win or a higher loss, like I just explained. And that's not always realistic. It's not actually going to help you. I see so many people that say,
Well, Kelly, when I was paper trading, I was making a lot of money, but then whenever I started using my real account, I can't catch a win to save my life.
and I understand it. I don't blame you. It happens all the time. And that's why I'm making this video, so you can understand. Now, another thing you need to understand is there are a lot more cons to pros of paper trading. This is a very controversial video. Don't be upset with me. But emotion drives the market. That's the truth. The market is based off of psychology. A lot of people's analysis can be correct, but because the market can fake you out, you may not follow it. There's many times that I thought a stock was going up and then it quickly went down. And I got out and I said, whoa, I'm out. Like, I'm losing money. And then it ended up going right back to where I said it would. And my feelings were hurt, guys. I was upset. That's the truth. I actually really was upset. So I want you to understand that emotion drives the market, and market manipulation is when the banks try to scare retail traders, which is us guys that don't work with major hedge funds or work on Wall Street or have billions of dollars. They try to scare us out of our positions, usually so they can get a better entry, or just because, I don't know, they like to do it. This doesn't mean that you're bad as a trader. It doesn't mean that your analysis was incorrect. It just means that you got faked out. Sometimes it does mean that it was incorrect. However, you'll never know unless you truly experience that feeling of, whoa. So that's what happens, is you have to learn to control your emotions. Sometimes you want a stock to go up, but you have to understand when stocks move, they move like this. And that's with any currency. They go up, then down a little, then up again, then down a little. That's why you see those stock charts like this. You don't see a chart that just goes, boom. It never happens. And so whenever somebody gets in right here at the top because they're feeling FOMO, and FOMO is fear of missing out, they say, oh my gosh, it's about to go up. And then it pulls back down here. They say,
It's going down.
and they get out. It's not okay, guys, but it happens. It's emotions. And then whenever they get out, it just keeps going, and they say,
Say, man, I should have never got out.
that is how psychology works. Now, another thing, and this is probably the biggest thing with me other than psychology and the emotions and everything with paper trading, is it doesn't help you with proper risk management. It's harder to scale an account when it's a paper trading account, because you start to say,
Man, well, why am I doing this for a paper trading account? It's not a real account.
and that's understandable, it really is. But let's say you're making $100 a day on a paper trading account. You're gonna start saying,
Well, bro, this isn't even my real account. Why am I trying to scale it slowly when with these trades that I keep winning, I can put it into a real account and scale?
so then with your paper trading account, you start to put $1,000 into trades. Whenever you only have a $1,500 account, you start to put $2,000 into trade. I mean, you start to just put way too much money than you actually have. You'll start putting your whole account and you'll treat it like a game. Whereas when you have a real account, you're bigger to like,
Oh my gosh, I want to take my profit. I don't want to lose money. I want to take my profit. I want to take.
and that's why paper trading doesn't really help as much, because there's no benefits to scaling the account. If you do scale that $1,000 account to $10,000 account paper trading, you don't get to keep the money. And a lot of people don't like that. A lot of people are not okay with that. And a lot of people brag,
Man, I put my paper trading account to this.
but then the bills still got to get paid, and you can't take anything from that paper trading account and pay the bills. So then you get upset. But anywho's, it was just a little thing that I noticed whenever I was in my group, and I was noticing a lot of people were saying, hey, with my paper trading account, I was killing the game. I didn't lose a trade. I didn't miss. But when I got to my real account, I can't understand why I keep losing. And so for those of you who may be in this predicament or want to use a paper trading account and you want to understand why that keeps happening, I just thought I'd give a little insight based on what I've seen in my personal experience. You may experience differently. Maybe paper trading truly helps you. Maybe paper trading doesn't help you at all. I don't know. Me, I had to start with a small account and scale it, and many times I've taken a beating when it came to losses. But I've watched many people be able to actually get actual good risk management with paper trading. But I do notice there's a frustration and there's this sense of urgency that,
Hey, I built my paper trading account from 1,000 to 10,000. I was making good money. Well, I want to take my real account from 1,000 to 10,000. I don't feel like doing it in 2 months when it took me 2 weeks paper trading, So
just to give you a little insight, if you want to see more videos like this, if you want to be able to really benefit from anything investing wise, y'all, it is my favorite thing to do is to help you be able to make more money, because at the end of the day, that's what pays the bills. This light is not cheap, this mic is not cheap, this camera is not cheap, and it all has to get paid by something. So if you really want to watch more videos from me, please make sure you do. I promise you won't regret them. And don't forget to hit the like, comment, and subscribe button, guys, because like I said, if you don't, I might cry. But yeah, my name is Kelly OG. I'm a 20-year-old options trader in the stock market, business owner. A lot. You probably already saw my intro, so this doesn't really mean anything. But I hope this video helped you. I hope you can take something amazing away from it. I'm going to end this video with a really quick prayer because that is something that I want to start implementing more. So I'm going to ask that you bow your head and you close your eyes. And God, I ask that you're able to protect every single person that is watching this video. You're able to bless their lives spiritually, physically, mentally, and financially. That when they're able to receive this information, they will be able to properly apply it to their lives, help themselves, help others, or just experience something new that they didn't know before. But yeah, thank you again for watching. I hope you have an amazing day, and goodbye.